Hi, welcome to Code with Richard, and this series is designed to get you coding with easy-to-digest bite-sized episodes. So let's get started. In this episode, we are going to create a hello world. Hello world is a typical first program in many programming languages, and it's very simple. All we're going to do is print the text or string hello world to the screen. And for this exercise, we're going to use Python. The first thing I'm going to do is open up a simple text editor. And in this case, I'm just going to use Notepad. Notepad is great for writing notes, and also if you have a really simple code that you want to write, Notepad should be good enough for what we're doing. And so remember, in this hello world exercise, all we're doing is printing the string hello world to the screen. And so Python is actually pretty easy. We can just type print, we can open parentheses, and then in quotes, we can write the text or the string that we want to display, and we can just say hello world here, and we have to make sure to put a closing parentheses at the end of this. And so let's go ahead and save this. So I'm going to save this to my desktop, and I'm going to make sure to not save it as a .txt file, but I'm going to put the .py extension, which is standard for Python. So I'm just going to call this hello.py on my desktop. Let's go ahead and save this. And now I can actually run this. So we can see that it shows up right here on my desktop. So I'm going to run this from the command prompt. And when I got this laptop to install Python, all I had to do was type Python, and a Windows installer helped me through installing Python on this computer. And now we can use that to actually run our code. So I'm going to go into the desktop directory, and all I need to do to run this code is type Python space and the file that I created. So let's go ahead and run this. And you can see the program ran, it printed out hello world. And how do I know it actually ran? Well, one way to know for sure is I can go back and I can say, put something else world, hello world, and hello to you. And if I save this, let's go back to see if I run this again, will this new text show up? So I'm going to run this, and here we go. And so I'm on a Windows computer. Python's really easy to install. If you have a Linux computer or a Mac, Python's pretty easy to run on your own Mac. But if you don't have access to a computer, that's okay. We'll cover how to run Python online. So you can actually run it from a Chromebook or a tablet or even a phone, but we'll save that for a future episode. Thank you for joining Code with Richard. I'm looking forward to future episodes. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section of this video. See you next time. Thanks.